afternoon. Today we are here on behalf of the Keekli Book Club. So the title of our story is The Bizarre Sighting in Kullu. The news reporter was going on about a supposed alien craft crash in Kullu, a district in Himachal. Shimla Times was a trusted news channel, so the news couldn't be fake. There was a sighting of a mysterious burning streak in the night sky. The next morning, locals found a huge, peculiar, dented object crashed into the snow.
Corpses of a couple of monkeys were also found near the crash site. It is also reported that a man caught the streak on his phone. There were also bumps around the site which were caused by flying debris. The news reporter said that further updates would be given later.
Probably all of you liked this story, right? But is there a question? The story was good, the characterization was good, the ambience that you built was excellent, the story had substance in it. But what someone would like to ask anything? Ending कैसी थी? Ending नहीं थी. बाकी सारी चीजें थी इसमें. Everything was good. And I was feeling so proud of you both. I wanted to come and hug you both. But I thought पहले ending हो जाए. Ending नहीं थी. Because see, आप as audience हैं ये. आपने कहा कि वो जो reporter है वो next आपको information देगा. We are waiting for it, aren't we? कि क्या हुआ फिर? Alien आए? Spacecraft हुआ? बंदर मरे हुए थे? किसने किया ये सब कुछ? We wanted an ending in it. But anyway, please clap for the team.